No, you need, number one, you need to put your hair up and have it like a little bun there, and then it brings a little bit of height up
Okay,
there,
so
which
what
is
I
what
need-
you want.
What?
The dogs.
You don't like them?
The dogs
Are they bothering you, Mom?
Hey, don't take pictures until it's good.
I'm recording.
Look,
Oh, stop, honey.
that one.
What? Oh, that one's out. Okay.
Okay.
What's happening?
Come here.
Vicky, you look great.
I
Fix
knew
it.
she'd look good in it. Let me get it right for you, Jack.
Yeah, because it's totally wrong right now.
Vicky, you look really.
I think she looks
I
great
really
in
like
that hair
it.
color.
I think it looks good.
Well, Marcy decided that this was my
That's her hair color. Hey, go on.
Mom, what are you doing?
Mother,
She's
get
trying
back
to get
there.
away.
Huh?
Probably trying to get away. Are you trying to get away, Mom? I guess that's what I'm going to take my time.
Vicky, it looks a lot like your hair when you were 18.
What I was going
Well,
for.
no, I always had.
Oh my gosh.
I always had.
Isn't it pretty? I want to get it right. Get it right. It looks different. Number one, you have to have a little.
It also
bun.
looks funny from the front.
No, it doesn't. Let me get it right.
Vicky, you know how to fix that
I
hair.
know
Go
how
back
to
in
do it.
time.
I know how to do it. Stay here, puppy. Mom, are you mad? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
But see, I used to spend hours on my hair.
Let me get it right. It looks too.
Oh,
What's
look at
that,
me.
Mom?
Yeah, you need to. Can I pull your hair out?
What's that?
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
Oh, that's Mom's wig.
Mom, you have a wig. Mom, it looks exact.
Marcy
It looks
brought me
exact.
that wig.
Marcy.
Marcy did it too.
Where's my wig?
I love them.
Where's my wig?
So much fun. It's fair hair. It's a fun thing to do.
Mom, how do you put it on?
Did you have a little band?
How do you put it on? That's great. Looks good. Mom, it looks great. Who does that look like? I know who it looks like. It looks like the way Reen used to wear her hair. Remember? Chet and Reen? Remember Chet and Reen?
Yes.
Remember Reen had a real high beehive hairdo? Did you ever wear it? Here, I'm going to turn it off so I lose all my batteries. I got Vicky and you both in wigs.